Hi, welcome back to Kyle Finder channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to allow microphone access on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Video conferencing software has become a must-have on any device, but if you've installed, let's say Zoom, you know it will need access to your Mac's microphone and camera to make sure all meeting participants hears and see you. So, how if you want to allow the microphone access for your apps on your MacBook? It's very simple. So first of all, you can just go to your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to your settings. So from here, you can go to security and privacy. From security and privacy, wait, still loading. You can go to privacy. From privacy, you can just scroll down. You can just choose on microphones, and then here you can choose for the apps that you want to allow the microphone. For example, you can allow the microphone for Zoom, so you can checklist on the app like this. And if you want to allow microphone for WhatsApp, you can just checklist for Roblox or Discord. You can give permission by check on the apps like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to allow microphone on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!